So to start off with, relative to your project team, you need to know who you need to work with. So at a very basic level, it's going to be the architect and the structural engineer. And then, depending on the particulars of your project, you may need additional specialists. In my list of might needs, someone is going to be fulfilling those roles to some extent. So if you don't have a standalone planning consultant, your architect will probably be doing a lot of the planning research on your behalf. If you don't have a QS project manager, that's probably because you've decided to take on that role, or you've handed it over to a builder who you're going to be using in some way. Passive house designer and certifier. This really depends how far down the low energy path you are planning on going. Are you going for full passive house design, or are you going better than building regs? And this has a huge impact on the early design stages of your project, the cost of your project, and the structure of your project. Are you going to need a heating engineer, landscape, lighting, interior designers? A lot of these functions, as a self-builder, you may be piecing together that information, working with different tradespeople in order to get the information you need. And finally, I have on here principal designer. This is a role, once again, that you could take on as the self-builder, but most of our clients, the majority of self-builders, will decide to pass that risk on to the architect